One of the most fundamental aims of the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, is for people to achieve peace of body and mind in this world. Chapter 13 Arad, verse 28.
Unquestionably, by the remembrance of Allah do hearts find peace.
And chapter 16 and now, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
This is only achieved when one sincerely obeys and follows these two sources of guidance, which in turn guides one to using the blessings they have been granted correctly, meaning in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, and helps them prioritize the things and people in their life correctly so that they obtain peace of mind and body. This is like a library of books which have been arranged in the correct order, which allows for a person to easily find the book they need with minimal hassle. Whereas, the one who fails to follow the guidance of the two sources of guidance, thereby misusing the blessings they were granted and incorrectly prioritizing the things and people in their life, is like a library of books which are completely unorganized. Finding a specific book in this library would be extremely difficult, stressful and time-consuming, and a person may not even find the book they desire. Just like an organized library, when one sincerely obeys and follows the two sources of guidance, they will place everything in its proper place within their life, thereby leading them to peace of mind and body. Chapter 10 Yunus, verses 57 to 58.
O mankind, there has come to you instruction from your Lord and healing for what is in the breasts and guidance and mercy for the believers. Say, in the bounty of Allah and in His mercy, in that let them rejoice, it is better than what they accumulate.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.